Active birth pools offers 3 models to accommodate various needs. The active birth pool, our largest multi-seat pool, the Venus pool, our mid-size pool, and the Princess pool, our smallest pool. We also offer our water column, which can be paired with each of our 3 models to allow the pool to be placed out into the room for 360-degree access around the pool. The following information is displayed on a Venus pool, so there may be differences between the footage shown here and the pool model you have in your facility. All of the pool components and their operation is the same. Filling your pool can be a timely process given the need for up to 560 litres of water. The speed at which your pool will fill it is entirely dependent upon the faucet selected and the gallons per minute the building's water system will deliver. It is important to note that birth pools do not have an overflow drain for preventing the water from overtopping the pool. This is due to the risk of cross-contamination since overflow piping cannot be properly disinfected. For this same reason, jets and inline heaters have also been omitted. With the absence of an overflow, it is important to set a timer with an alarm if you do not have a timed fill faucet with automatic shutoff. The water temperature should be maintained between 35 and 37 degrees Celsius to maintain the mother and baby's core temperature. The water temperature should not exceed 38 degrees, as it could raise the mother's body temperature and increase the baby's heart rate. It is recommended to check the water temperature once per hour and add hot water as needed. Be sure to stir up the water before checking the temperature, as colder water will sink to the bottom, causing an incorrect reading. If your pool has been supplied with chromotherapy lighting, the control mechanism will be located on the rim of the pool. A single press of the on-off button will turn the white light on. Consecutive presses of the on-off button will cycle you through all 9 available colors of your choice. A press and hold of 3 seconds will turn the light off. The drain mechanism is controlled by the twist knob on the rim of the pool. Simply twist the knob to open or close the drain mechanism. To increase drain time, to clear debris, or to properly disinfect, the pop-up can be lifted from the drain. The pop-up has a depth adjustment screw which can be adjusted if the drain is not sealing, or if your pop-up is not allowing water to drain quickly enough or is closing from the suction. Please inform your facility maintenance staff if any adjustments are necessary. Your pool will require several minutes to drain. It is often assumed that draining the pool quickly in the event of an emergency is necessary. However, the high water level can provide assistance in evacuating a person from the pool by providing buoyancy, allowing them to be lifted easier to the rim and onto a bed. Please consult your hospital's policies and procedures for specifics about dealing with emergencies and practice these regularly. The procedure for entering and exiting the pool is very important to ensure a safe transition. Our weighted step stool is designed to match the height of the inside of the pool, so there is not a variation in heights when making the transition. This helps prevent slips or falls due to the unexpected drop to a lower height. It also brings the height of the rim down to a manageable height, assisting the birthing person in sitting on the rim of the pool while having their feet planted firmly on the solid slip-resistant surface of the step stool. A taller multi-step stool might seem beneficial, but it is much less safe. This increases the likelihood of an individual stepping into the pool without adequate support from a taller height and be thrown off balance. We do not recommend utilizing any step stools that do not match the height of the interior floor of the pool for this reason. It is very important to practice the following procedure. The most important factor in a safe transition into or out of the pool is to maintain 3 points of contact at all times. This will increase your ability to support the patient and avoid slip and falls. Start by stepping onto the stool while holding onto the rim of the pool. Turn and face away from the pool and sit on the wide rim. The wide rim has been designed to comfortably sit on and support weight. While sitting and holding onto the pool, pivot one leg over the rim and into the pool, then follow with the other leg. Now you will be safely sitting on the rim and facing into the pool and able to slowly lower yourself onto the seat. To exit the pool, simply do this same process in reverse. For additional information about our pools, please visit our website at activebirthpools.com and navigate to the blog section where you can search for any topic of interest among our library of articles.